Good morning, AP Biology. Welcome to September 23rd, 2021. Sorry, I have way too much fun with these videos. Um, so today, uh, we didn't get as far as I would have liked to in our other AP classes today, so we are just going to finish up the protein POGL up to question 15. You can stop at question 15. I know I uploaded all 7 pages. Please just stop at question 15. You only have to submit question 15. Question 15. So continue working on that protein POGL. Keep working on the cell membrane and transport notes if you're not done with those yet. And then work on the reading guide. Today's kind of a work day. That's really all I have for you because our other AP classes didn't get as far as I would have liked to. We're still going to work on the protein POGL today. If you haven't already, please take the cell parts quiz. I posted a link to the Quizlet where you can use some note cards to study for that in the updates of the Schoology classroom. Okay, so there's a Quizlet there that you can use to study for. I really wish I had more stuff to give you and more things for you to do. I know you're all busy, so there you go. Have a wonderful day. That's all I have for you. Just keep working on that protein POGL. Finish the cell quiz. If you haven't, please submit your movement activity. I know we didn't do group 2 and group 3 and then find the average percent change. That's okay. Just graph your own percent change and find the concentration of sucrose and then the water potential of a potato down at the very bottom, and you should be good to go. If you have any questions, please reach out. I'm pretty quick on the response here, so I usually don't get to it until after 6th hour though, just so you know. When I open up Schoology again, and I'm like, oh, I have messages. So that's usually when I get to them. So it'll definitely be today if I see your message. If it's any time after like 5:30, I probably won't see it. So keep that in mind. I'll get to it immediately in the morning, and we should be good to go. Protein POGL, cell parts quiz. Make sure you submit that movement activity and water potential lab. Awesome. Have a wonderful day, everyone.